Hi, I'm Robert Cook, a Master Gardener volunteer with the University of Maryland Extension. We're here at the Learning Garden at the Maryland State Fairgrounds. And we wanted to show you one way you can protect your vegetables from all those critters out there that like them as much as you do. This is our walk-in tomato enclosure. You can see it's just built of pressure-treated 1x2s and 2x2s surrounded by chicken wire panels. You can build this type of enclosure as large as you or as small as you want, depending on how many of these panels you decide to use. Now, this is a simple door which lets you walk in so you can get to your produce. And this year, we're growing these wonderful tomatoes in concrete remesh cages, which are great supports for your tomato, and they'll be protected from those deer, rabbits, and other squirrels and things that want to get your tomatoes.